Hi everyone, and welcome to this new tutorial about Matomo Tag Manager and Matomo Analytics. This is the first time that I'm doing this tutorial with OBS, which is a free software that I discovered during the Rencontre Mondiale du Logiciel Libre in 2018. So I'm so excited to use this new software during the time that I'm making this tutorial. So just to let you know, this is a great software and that actually you can make some great tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be about Tag Manager and how to use the click text. So a message has been posted here by Benjamin saying that, do you know any way in order to make a click event tracking to set the click text to the value as a variable, just like the click URL or the click ID. So I may not have understood actually clearly what Benjamin is explaining here, but what I guess he would like to do is when a click is happening, for example, on a specific text, that actually this text is sent out to Matomo Analytics as a custom dimension or as an event. So the idea will be, for example, to push the full sentence here if I'm clicking on it. So in order to test that out, what I would like to do is to create what I'm going to call GS alert. So as I can see here, if I go within variable, I can see the information that I'm currently interested in, which is called the click text. So now let's move on and let's say, okay, I want to create a tag, and this tag is going to take the value click text if I'm clicking on a given text. So let's call it alert, and let's say, okay, instead of alert, I want it to be named like click text. So basically here what's gonna happen is if this script fire, it should take out actually the text on which I just clicked. I don't mind, but the position, actually I could put it at the beginning or at the end, and then gonna define actually an alert trigger, and this trigger is gonna be when I click on this specific element. So I'm just gonna take it out, up, and what this element is about. Okay, seems like this is part of the form, isn't it? Not sure. If there was some, no, what will it be? So let's investigate. Yeah, okay, so it's part of the form. So basically I could say when there is a click made on, I think it's part of it. So I'm gonna say this part anyway, form ID equal form 2. So let's move on. So when there is a click which is made on an element which is equals ID form 2. Okay, so I'm just gonna say here form 2. And just in order to remember it properly, I'm just gonna say click on form 2 ID. Okay, that's it. Okay, so I create now the trigger, and I just need, so the trigger is fine, then the alert is fine, and I'm gonna update it. Okay, so as a result, I can publish my version and say form to click text ID, something I could remember later on. Okay, so now it has been published, just waiting here, apps, and now I can basically just refresh this page. So yeah, why is it appearing? Actually, that should not appear. So I'm gonna refresh it again. Okay, so probably a cache thing, so I'm gonna refresh it. And so what I did here is that I just emptied my cache. Actually, there was still actually some codes which were recognized from the old version. And in order to check if everything's gonna work properly, I'm gonna add the preview and debug mode. Okay, so now I just entered within the preview debug mode, so I'm just gonna happen to my current URL those following parameters, and now I can, now I can debug peacefully. Okay, As you can see, nothing has been fired yet. Okay, I just have a custom event, which, from what I remember, is a data layer, a former data layer that I included within my tracking code. So far everything's fine. And what I can see here is actually my alert has not been defined yet. So now I'm going to click here, and wow, actually the pop-up has been filled in with the click text that I expected, right? Which is all the text which was within the element of the ID that I selected, which is the one of the form. So if I read back actually what Benjamin was asking us, do you know a way in click event tracking, okay, set the click text, the inner HTML of a tag as a variable, just like the click URL of the click ID. I have the feeling that actually it's answering his issue, or maybe by this video that I'm gonna post here in a couple of minutes, he may tell me that actually I got it totally wrong and that he's expecting something else. But in any case, just in order to sum it up, if at some point you would like to send to Matomo Analytics either through an event or either through a custom dimension, a custom variable, or whatever you want, and that this element is the text that you can see here on the page, and you would like to push it when someone is clicking on it, well, you just need to pick it up the click text variable, which is a preconfigured variable, in order to send this specific text directly to Matomo Analytics. I really hope it helps, and I'm so happy that actually it has been the first tutorial I made with OBS. Thanks for watching.